You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. How to pronounce. In Spanish, the name that is pronounced in English as Rubén is pronounced the other way around, with a stress on the second syllable in Spanish, Rubén. Ru, with of course the rolled R, Rubén. Rubén is how to pronounce Rubén in Spanish. Listen carefully one last time. Rubén. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.